Calculating the average propensity to consume. This short tutorial, you'll learn how to do the calculations to calculate the average propensity to consume. The average propensity to consume, or APC, is the average portion of income spent on consumption. The formula for the average propensity to consume is APC, or the average propensity to consume, is equal to C, or the consumption, divided by Y, the income. It's important to note that as a person's income changes, so does their APC. The procedure for calculating the average propensity to consume, or APC, is the following. Write down the formula for the average propensity to consume, which is APC, or the average propensity to consume, is equal to C, consumption, divided by Y, income. Second, you're going to locate the level of income for which you need to calculate the average propensity to consume and label it with a Y. Substitute in the value of Y into the formula. Next, locate the level of consumption associated with a particular level of income and label it with C. Substitute in the value of C into the formula. 6. Divide the level of consumption, C, by the income, Y. Here we have a table consisting of 3 columns. The first column is the income column, the second column is the consumption column, and the third column is the savings column. Our first level of income is 0, and at this point, or at this level of income, the individual consumes 30 and is not saving, or is actually taking money out of the bank equal to 30. This first level of consumption is referred to as autonomous consumption because it is a form of consumption that the person engages in when they have no income. The second row shows that the person has an income of 100, and when they have a income of 100, they consume all $100 worth of their income on goods and services, and they save nothing. At the next level, $200, the person consumes $170 worth of goods and services and saves $30. At the $300 level of income, the individual consumes $240 worth of goods and services and saves $60. At the $400 level of income, the person consumes $310 worth of goods and services and saves $90. At the $500 level of income, the individual consumes $380 worth of goods and services and saves $120 worth. At the $600 level, the individual consumes $450 worth of goods and services and saves $150. At the $700 level, the person consumes $520 worth of goods and services and saves $180. Because we're calculating the average propensity to consume, our first step is to write down the formula. In this case, the average propensity to consume is equal to C, consumption, divided by Y, income. Our first step is to choose a level of income. In this case, 600 was selected. Your choice of income will be dependent on whether you need to do a calculation for that particular level of income or not. Our second thing is to look and see that we have a level of income both in the formula and on our chart. So we're going to substitute in the value 600 in for Y in the formula. Next, we need to choose a level C. Since we selected $600, we must choose $450 to be our level of consumption. Next, we substitute in 450 from the table into the formula. Our next step is to divide 450 by 600, and this gives us 0.75. This means that at $600, a person consumes on average 75% of their income.